I'm in this room. I'm trying to add two more cameras. The cables of the new cameras that I will add are here. They are going to this patch panel. So, and this is not the cabin for the camera. This is the cabin for the data and telephone. So I need to find the cable from this patch panel and then connect a cable from here to there. I will also add a switch. I just need to find the ports for the corresponding cables. Either I will cut the cable or I will connect a cable from the patch panel to the new switch. So I've added this switch. For some reason, when I've connected this uplink port to the uplink port of the new switch, it didn't work. I don't know. Maybe this switch only support uplink by the SFP. This might be not the uplink port. Also, when I've connected my laptop to this switch through the uplink port, I usually see the cameras, but I couldn't see any camera. In some switches, these ports are not really the uplink ports. One port is for the console to configure the switch, and the other port is for something else that I don't know. Anyway, I've managed to get the things done. I've added the cameras, and I think it's time to go. I have researched online and found out that this port is also used for management purposes, management and configuration purposes. These are the old cameras that are in the campus in this university that they want to change. I think they are working, but they want to change them for some reason, which I don't know. I see these cameras usually in old universities and also in hospitals. Of course, wherever I go, I found out that the fire alarm system is not working. Actually, here it is working, it is active. Of course, there are some errors in the system. For example, in zone 1, a fire alarm was detected. This building is, by the way, the swimming pool. But also I think they have sauna, boxing room, also massage room, I think. I think it's also called recreation center or something. But I don't see the gym here. So I can't really call it recreation center. But anyway. So basically there is another cabin in that road, and there is cameras in that road. The cameras of that road is connected to the cabin in that road, and they are communicated through this P2P bridge. I can see the cameras that are there. So the P2P bridge is communicating, no problem. They are seeing each other, and the cameras are okay. Now there are 3 cameras here I'm not seeing. I think because this switch, this industrial switch, the ports are not PoE. It doesn't have PoE. So I have added this switch which supports PoE. So basically the problem was with this switch, this industrial switch. It does not support PoE. I've changed it with this regular switch. It supports PoE, but it's not industrial. Anyway, now I'm configuring the P2Ps. Let's see how it goes. So basically in that road there are 2 camera poles. In each one of them there is a cabinet. In each cabinet there is a switch. To each one of those switches there are 5 cameras connected. Now of course, in each one of them, there is no fiber, there is no Cat6 cable, there is no cable connection. It's all wireless connection. They are all connected to this main cabinet. So I can see this online. The problem is that I can only find I can only see 5 cameras. So the other switch, I think, is broken, or there is something in it. I should go and see. Now there is another access point here connected to there. You see this long building? The NVR is there. I have found that this access point that is connected to that building. I have found its IP, and I was able to configure it. And now I also need to go there and configure the NVR and add all the cameras. Wow, a whole city underground. So these are the XLPE cables coming from somewhere, going to somewhere. And this is the switch. Basically, this is the PoE adapter. So this is the cable coming from the access point, the P2P access point, and it links, but not continuously. So I need to reset it. I have talked actually to the person who have configured this. He told me that he have reset the access point that was near the flagpole. So I need to reset this one also. The problem is that I need it's really high, so I either wait for the appropriate vehicle to come and lift me up, or I might be able to reset it by reaching to its IP. I hope I can reset it by reaching to its interface, IP interface. Let's see. So this is the fiber cable going to the Omega switch, which the NVR is connected to it. I've asked the man who have run this fiber cable how he managed to, pull the cable through these buildings. The distance is pretty long. Around 300 meters. Not very long, but still. And inside the campus, inside the university, so it shouldn't be obvious. He told me that he have run it through these canals. Pretty good work, I think. Well, I couldn't access the access point's interface, so I've called this vehicle so that I can reset it. See? Do you see that pole, that flagpole? That's where I was. Now I'm here. And that device is the access point I'm talking about. Let's do it. This was the canal that I have mentioned. I'm back here again. I have installed a new bridge, a new access point. Well, today is another day. I'm back here again, checking the fiber. The fiber that is connecting between here and the NVR is not working. Suddenly, it is not working, because previously it was working. I'm checking it. I have changed the switch also. This access point, this bridge doesn't take any link for some reason. I've changed the adapter and it's still not working. I'm checking the fiber from here. It is working, so there is no problem with the soldering. And I have checked the fiber all the way from here to the building. No rat has eaten it or something. So I don't know, maybe the soldering from the other end has some issues. I don't know.